Hi friends, this is Charlie Rains and today we are going to see about classes and object. This is an important topic in C++. Classes is used everywhere in the program. Okay, let's start with. A class is a way to bind the data describing an entity and its associated function. In C++, class makes a data type that is used to create object of this type. This is the definition of class. Encapsulation, data encapsulation. In data encapsulation we bind data and function together. Similarly, in class also we bind data and function together. Okay, now the definition of class. Class name, open bracket, private, public, protected modes, and close bracket with a semicolon. Now here the class name, we can give class, and for a class name we can give any object name, any cars, bikes, any name we can give. Example, class pets, like that also we can give, or class cars, class bikes, anything. Now open braces, private mode is used so that only some can see it, that too in our intention. That means we know who are all seeing this. Public mode is open for everyone, anyone can see this. Protected mode, no one can see it. These three modes are also called as visibility modes, and we are closing with the close braces with semicolon. Now we are going to see about outside the class definition. It always comes with class name, scope resolution. That 4 dots is called as scope resolution, with a function name, open and close braces. Inside that open and close braces we can have any functions, our program, all that comes under that. Above the class name, above this line, header files come, and void main, int main, anyone that comes. Okay, now we are going to see how to call a member function. The way to call a member function is given below. This is the syntax: object name dot function name bracket actual argument. You can give object name, any name, function name particular if you want in your function or your data type as int, void, anything, and should give your actual argument. Okay, this is called as object name, function name, and actual argument. Okay, now we are going to see about array within a class. A class have an array as its member variable. An array in a class can be private or public. This means a class can have an array as its member variable. A class is a variable. If you initialize, array is a variable. If you initialize an array, there will be some space in the program allocated for an object. For example, class array open int array 10, and we are giving public mode some largest, like that. Okay, now what is meant by a global class? We all know global variable, local variable, like that. A global class, a class which occurs outside the bodies of all function in a program, is said to be as global class. That means first in the program we will give header file, then followed by a class, then int main, void main, like that, open bracket and close bracket. Inside that we can have our program. Now a local class is a class that occurs inside a function body. It is opposite to global class. Here we will have our example: header file, int main, open bracket, inside that we have class, that is called as local class. Okay, now a global object, an object which is declared outside all the function of bodies are called as global object. Example, header file, class, close class, and object, then void main. It's easy. Header file, first header file comes, then class comes, after the class object comes, that's called as global object. After that main function comes, and after that your program comes. So this is very easy. An object which is declared within a function body is called as local object. Example, hash include iostream.h, void main of, then class comes, and object inside your object comes. This is called as local object.
என்ன நினைத்தாலும்